Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to quickly find all the photos, videos, and files shared in a specific Telegram group, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to view shared media in any Telegram group, so you never have to scroll endlessly through chat history again. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Telegram app open on your device. Once you're in, locate the group chat where you want to view the shared media. You can either scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find the group quickly. After opening the group chat, look to the very top of the screen. You'll see either the group's profile picture or its name. Tap on it. This action will open the group's information page, where you'll find details about the group, its members, and more. Now, pay attention to the horizontal list of options that appears. Here, you'll see tabs like Media, Files, Links, and others. Tap on the one labeled Media. Instantly, you'll see a gallery of all the photos and videos that have been shared in this group, neatly organized for you to browse. You can swipe through the media, zoom in on images, and even filter by type if you're looking for something specific. If you want to find media from a particular date, Telegram's latest updates even let you use a date bar or calendar view to jump straight to the time frame you need. This feature is incredibly useful for revisiting important files, reliving shared moments, or simply keeping your group's content organized. No more digging through endless messages. Everything you need is just a few taps away. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage all the shared media in any Telegram group. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.